Welcome to our service tutorials. My name is Daniela. I'm working as a trainer here at Probot, and with me is Dominic.
Hi.
Dominic was working in production and is now completing our service team. The topic of this tutorial will be the cleaning of the exhaust air pipe, the one between the roaster and the cyclone. So Dominic, how often do I need to clean that pipe?
It depends hardly on how much you roast, because the more you roast, the more excess will build up in the pipes and the fan. But I would recommend to check it at least all 6 months and then from there build your own schedule.
And how long will it take to clean this pipe?
Always depends on how much is built up in the pipes, but I would say you can do it in around 1 hour.
And how this is done will be shown to you now step by step.